Most of our sorrows lies in the illusion of separation from nature, perceiving nature as a wild, scary entity out there, separated from ourselves, existing solely to serve our needs. We might believe this thought, this idea to be logic. If we know we are the rivers, why to cut its flow? If we know we are the trees, why to kill it? If we know we are the air we breathe, why to pollute it? Yet we forget that in blindness we smoke, filling our own air with toxic fumes. We dry ourselves to the thirsty choice of sweet drinks. We intoxicate our own bodies with all kinds of impurities. The axiom, as within, so without, explains this mirror, which reflects the chaos we live our lives, disconnected from our own bodies, disconnected from our nature. A man living in separation. It's a man tormented by the division of duality.